So this is Lisa Williams, aka Survival Woman, showing you how to make your car's headlights look brand new. It's so cool. You get this stuff from Walmart. I'll show you. You get this stuff from Walmart. Yep. And then you just put tape around your headlight to protect the paint, and you get a buffer and buff it out. And if you do it right, it works really well. This guy's got a hand buffer, but you can just use your hands and any kind of like rag, you know, and buff it out. But it's easier with a hand buffer because it works better. So this plus a buffer or your hands will turn a bad headlight into a good one, and I will show you the finished result. Ta-da! Look how good that one is. It looks brand new, and he's still working on that one. So all of you ladies out there, you think you can't do it, you can. Your husband's in prison like mine is, you can still do stuff. Yeah, you can fix your headlights, turn them from bad to good. Oh, I look awful. This is Lisa Williams saying thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.